Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for April 2026. General reading, so pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. So kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com. Hindi nyo na kailangang i-message ako, okay? Or you can go directly to my calendar, link on the description or sa comment section. Pero kung hindi nyo makita yung calendar, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com. Lahat ng information na kailangan nyo malaman nandoon na. Okay. Let's see, Cancer. What is the energy for April? Okay, Venus about love. Feeling in love, falling in love. Ayan. This can also mean, kasi Venus hindi lang naman sa love yan, luxury, money. So, pwedeng meron ding focus for your career, love for your career, love for your money, productivity. Or merong rest. Some of you are going to take a rest. Pagpapahinga, yung iba sa inyo, kayo ay magbabakasyon o kaya naman bibigyan nyo ng time ang inyong sarili para makapag-relax. Wala masyadong iniisip. 'Di ba? You are nurturing and taking care of yourself. Some of you pwedeng merong magkaka-baby na anytime soon. So you are nurturing your baby, your child. And some of you, this is self-love, self-care. Ayan. So, you have more time para sa sarili mo. This time, sarili mo naman ang iisipin mo. Kung ikaw ay lagi nag-aalaga ng ibang tao, ngayon, ikaw naman, aalagaan mo ang iyong sarili. You have the Seven of Wands, the Queen of Wands. I think you will also protect your energies, protect your peace. You will focus on the good things in life. And some of you, pwedeng you are leaving a situation. Alis ka sa isang sitwasyon na sa tingin mo ay nagbibigay lang ng stress sa buhay mo. Oo. And yung iba, maaring mas magiging kayo, yung bang tahimik lang. Tahimik na hindi na nagsishare ng mga kung ano-ano pang bagay sa ibang tao. Lalo na kung you realize na it's not anymore important para sa'yo kung ano yung sasabihin ng ibang tao tungkol sa'yo, yung opinion nila tungkol sa'yo. You will focus on your peace. Ayan. Yung iba, medyo magle-lay low kayo sa pagpo-post sa social media. Yung iba, hindi kayo masyadong active online. You also have the Knight of Pentacles. You are building a strong foundation in your finances, in your career. Some of you medyo naghihinay-hinay sa paggastos. Nagpo-focus kayo sa pag-iimpok, save ng pera. You have the Three of Cups. So, meron ditong reunion with friends, reunion with family, and also a celebration. So, yung iba, pwedeng meron kayong isi-celebrate na major event sa inyong life. Pwedeng related sa trabaho, na meron kayong na-achieve na goal sa work ninyo, sa business ninyo, or sa mga personal projects or plans ninyo. Ayan. So, kayo naman willing to take the risk and at the same time, cautious din. Alam mo yun, na tipong, okay, game ka sa mga opportunities, pero pinag-iisipan mo rin naman bago mo to pasukin or bago mo gawin. Ayan. So, merong growth for you. Some of you, this is opportunity to work abroad, travel abroad, exploration. Parang meron kang namimiss. Namimiss mo yung trabaho mo. Dati mong trabaho or dati mong ginagawa. I also see here na yung hinihintay mo na pera darating na. Ayan. Kung ano man tong hinihintay mo na, let's say, back pay o kaya may nagkautang sa'yo, so magbabayad na to, or meron kang pinaprocess na papers, na yung pag na-process mo yung papers na yun, mai-release na yung pera. Ganon. So, darating na yan. And I also see you na magiging very, very busy ngayong April. Yan. You also have potential. 1, 2, 3, 4. Potential to continue and to start whatever you have started. Oo. To continue whatever you have started. So, kung merong mga nagsimula, let's say, projects, trabaho, even relationships, you are continuing that na pinagpapatuloy mo. You have the Triumph card, which is, this is success. 4, 8, 12, 16, 7. Okay. Merong success sa isang bagay na matututunan mo. Na, let's say, meron kang aaraling skills, knowledge, o kaya abilities. Tapos, pag natutunan mo yon, tas in-apply mo yung natutunan mo, magbibigay yun sa'yo ng success. So, parang inaral mo siya. May nakita kang potential doon. And then, aaralin mo, tapos i-apply mo, gagawin mo, then boom, success. Synergy. Very strong yung iyong pagpupursige, pagpupunyagi. Ayan. So, talagang meron kang ipinupush for you to happen. This is also stability. So, like what I mentioned kanina, meron kang binibuild na stability in terms of your career, finances, or business. Some of you related to sa bahay. Pwedeng may pinapatayong bahay or may renovation rin sa bahay. So, this will lead you to a new beginning, like a new opportunity na nag-emerge for you. And mag-ingat din doon sa mga taong lagi kang dinidiscourage sa mga plano mo. Kasi yun yung nagiging reason or maaring dahilan kung bakit hindi mo nagagawa yung gusto mong gawin dahil nakikinig ka sa sinasabi nila. You don't need someone else to fix you. Oh, 'di ba? Kasi kaya mong i-fix yung sarili mo. Mahirap din naman kasi naiasa natin na ayusin tayo ng ibang tao. Paano kung yung tao na yun hindi available o kaya ayaw niya? 'Di ba? So this is about you being independent and alam mo sa sarili mo na you can do something about the problems or issues na meron ka ngayon. Like, meron kang resolution, no, sa mga challenges mo. Don't seek anyone's approval or expectations. So, di ba minsan nagre-rely talaga tayo sa anong iisipin ng ibang tao sa atin. So, this time, you know what you want, mas kilala mo yung sarili mo, and hindi ka na mag-expect na kung ano pa ang sasabihin ng iba or opinion ng iba sa'yo. Yung security mo will come from within, galing sa'yo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.